I want to urge the President and his partner in the PBI, Raila Odinga, to release the report so that, one, you reduce the level of anxiety in the country, you reduce the unnecessary and unhelpful speculation. People are now imagining, and the imaginations have become very fertile, on the content of a document they have not seen. We are seeing all manner of things being said. We as Ford Kenya Party, and I as an individual leading the party, have said that it is very difficult and in fact dishonest to oppose what you haven't seen or to purport to support what you haven't seen. You can only support the views you gave, like we do support all the views we gave, because those were considered views. And we are hoping that the outcome of the process is going now to inform Kenyans and generate a new level of public participation and awareness and thinking.
And what the church is saying is that we need peace in this country, for people to find peace in their sleep, peace in their daily working, peace in their social interactions. Kenya is one, we don't have another Kenya. However, we are saying that as all this goes, we are waiting to know what our leaders are going to bring. So far as I'm concerned, they have not brought these all their proposals. All what we are doing, we are just hearing them, that they are on the way coming, and we are waiting for them. So when they come, we are ready to make our comments